Hi coders, I'm from Code Asik. Today I will learn together with you how to code in Scratch. Scratch is a coding language with an exciting visual interface that enables you to create digital stories, games, and animation. It is not like a standard coding language such as Python, but Scratch is a drag-and-drop coding style. It is fun because it promotes computational thinking, problem-solving skill, and communicating ideas, especially for age 8 to 16. But it is used by people of all ages. For a complete overview, you can directly go to the official page of Scratch and see all the examples in the shared project by another member. Without any further issues, let's get started. Click the link from Create and you will see this interface. Here's the basic look from Scratch. There is a cat that you can click and move to anywhere in the canvas. When you drag the cat, the position in the coordinate will change. You can see here the X coordinate shows the number and also Y coordinate indicates different number. You can change the cat's size directly in this box and the name of the object also. In this case, we name it a cat. You can directly change the number by typing it, then the cat will follow your direction. However, I want to fur the cat with a red color, so I call it a red cat. I will change the color in the costume tab beside the code tab. You can choose the color you like for your cat's appearance. It will be best if you change costume too also to make it such a uniform. This costume 1 and 2 are like a variation, so the cat is not monotone visually, especially when walking. Just like a natural walking gait, right? So make it in the same color. Also, you can set this position using code here. First, you need to select the Event tab and choose this. When clicking the green flag, this command allows the code to execute when you touch the green flag. Then, click the Motion tab and choose this. Go to X and Y. This command allows the object, in this case cat, to go to the exact position in the X and Y coordinate. You can directly change the value. Let us see the output. You see, no matter where you place the cat in a random location, it will return to the coordinates you specified. Let's focus more on the background. We will change the ground to make it enjoyable. Click the Stage tab, and I will refer to choose the backdrop from the template. I pick the blue sky because it seems fit with the cat. What do you think? Okay, you can choose the nice one for you. It looks nice now. Then, I want to make the cat move when I touch a specific button. For example, the right arrow and left arrow on the keyboard. But first, because we don't know when the key will be pressed, thus we need the condition to check it over time. Therefore, we used to repeat it forever. Then, we need to input the conditions of the key pressed, then select the right arrow. In this case, the right arrow will move the cat in literally the right direction. Meaning that the x coordinate value will change and go more positively. Let's execute it with the green flag. The cat is moving to the right. Then, we want to add the left arrow by copying the previous command but changing the key press condition. It could be more negative for the x value. Thus, we should change the x by a negative value. Here we go. It works. But something is missing about the walking gait of the cat. It seems not natural. Remember that previously we had two types of costumes for the red cat. I need to switch it while walking by adding some command. Next costume when the key is pressed. See? That's better, right? But the cat at the edge seems to disappear, thus I need to make it turn back while the cat touched the edge. So we need to add more comments here. Add if on edge, bounce, then set the rotation style left to right. It turns the cat into the correct position now. Let's execute it. Nice! Well done! That's all for this moment, guys. I will continue with a deeper and more exciting topic in the following video. Remember to comment and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye!